Do you know what this car is?
Hello, everybody. Today's episode is brought to you by Toolbox Widget. Widget your toolbox.
Soon to be fixing this problem.
There is no problem. I just got this kind instead of that kind.
This kind is better.
Be sure to head over to Toolbox Widget and pick up your knuckle scrubbers, a great hand cleaner, and all your organizational tools. They're magnetized, they're modular, they're like Legos. They save you space, time, and energy, and you don't want a dirty box. Use code HURRICANE to get 10% off of your Toolbox Widget order. Do it now.
What do we got here?
Today we have a Golf R here. It's a 2024. We are doing some upgrades. It's been in here in the past. We did this beautiful ARP intake, turbo intake. It goes from the turbo all the way up, has this whole shroud, pressurized, clean, cold, filtered air for the 2-liter turbocharged engine. We also did coilovers. That's it. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the stance a little better. Got some ECS 10mm hub-centric spacers. We're also going to make it sound better with an APR exhaust. Mid-pipe over here. We're also going to put this big Haas fat boy intercooler on this thing. This thing is a chunky girl. Customer did not want the carbon fiber tips, so he ordered the brushed stainless, which I think was a great choice because I just like it better anyway. We have the extended lugs, and we have an oil change. We also have an ECS clutch dampener valve. So when you go to kick the clutch or dump the clutch, there's a valve in there that softens the blow to the drivetrain. It's like a hood strut, like, you know, or like a steering stabilizer or whatever like that, and it slowly lets the clutch out. So the clutch pedal will actually leave your foot if you drop it hard enough, and this gets rid of that, so you can dump the clutch as hard as you want. Let's get started.
Why did you stickers on your hat?
So I could take it off and not get it dirty.
Okay, pretty genius.
We're going to start with first is taking this APR airbox off. The clutch dampening valve or bleeder valve is directly underneath this on top of the trans there. We're going to replace that. We're going to get the clutch bled. We're going to remove the rest of the fascia of the car, bumper, you know, grill stuff to get to the stock intercooler. We're going to put this monster bob in, put it all back together, and then I'm going to lift it up and we're going to tackle the mid-pipe or axle or catback exhaust. So we're going to install this big Haas here, put the stock valves on it, and lastly we'll probably just do the oil change and the spacers. Okay, first we're going to pull this guy off and we're going to tackle the...
Come on, a little more enthusiasm.
Oh my
Come on.
fuck.
Come on, Jordan. Hi, I'm Kyle. Welcome to Hurricane.
What are we doing here today, Kyle?
Looks like an exhaust and an intercooler. Yes, Jacob.
We're doing an exhaust and an intercooler from APR on a Mark 8. That thing started?
Yeah, it started fine. Has a blown out radiator. So I think it lost all of its coolant and went into freak out hot mode. Speaking of hot mode, Toolbox Widgets blew out my box, cleaned out my box yesterday.
Which is actually pretty incredible. He's not joking. They came in here and just optimized a couple of his tool drawers. Look at these couple drawers that they came in here and did. Like he said, make sure to head over to Toolbox Widget. Hurricane, 10% off.
Oh. That was just shining over.
Say when.
It was damn over the weekend.
I'm still recording.
You didn't say when. 40 miles an hour right there.
See the appropriate location for Toolbox Widgets? On the top of your box, in the boxes.
And the box is overrated.
Well, in theory, they match where the rest of his tools end up anyways. Sorry, I'll stop harassing you.
Talk loud, talk fast.
So I took the...
You're talking too loud.
Get out of
You
here.
want this done by tomorrow? Because it's going really slow right now. Clutch dampening valve comes out, new one goes in.
What's the new one?
This is the new ECS tuning clutch dampening valve.
All right, so I popped the clutch dampening valve out. Here it is. This is the original one from Volkswagen. Clutch line comes right out with these two clips. Put the new ECS one in. It does not have the damper in there, so you can clutch drop as fast as you want, you know, what have yous.
Just over in that.
APR intercoolers in.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for my brother. Oh, there it goes.
Isn't that fancy? Hang on, I need electrolytes.
Do what DJ Khaled does.
I don't know what that means.
Have you seen the clip of him?
No.
Where he's like,
Gatorade. Gatorade.
Radar. So what we got here is a Volkswagen Auto Group stock muffler on the Golf R. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and we're gonna put the APR touring exhaust on there. It makes loud burbles. It does the fucking vroom vrooms. Ixnay on the effing. What exhaust are we doing? Touring.
Oh, we put the toolbox widgets in his toolbox. How you doing today, Jordan, you salami monster? Come along on the journey of reorganizing my box with toolbox widgets. I can't wait to beat this box up with toolbox widgets. The only nice thing about this grid system is I'm gonna be able to pull it out in 2 pieces and put it on top of my box to put my toolbox widgets inside of here. You know the Walmart one?
Yeah.
He's like, ah! Catalytic converter.
Simple enough, we got the air intake back on, and now this car is ready to start, and we are ready to hear how it sounds. Well, that is wrap on this Golf R. The new exhaust sounds great. It's a little bit louder, but it's not too terrible. And look at the tips. Those look great as well. This customer car is a wrap. It'll be going back to the customer here today or tomorrow when he picks it up. He will be happy. It's a little bit more aggressive with the spacers. This is a wrap. Customer will be super happy. We'll get it back to him. See you guys in the next one, where we are going to be putting headers and titanium straight pipe on a V10 Viper. They're all V10s, but on a V10 Viper, it's gonna be awesome. Oh, it's right there even. We'll be putting headers and exhaust on that. They are V10s, so that thing is gonna be really, really loud. When we were in California, he did get a ticket already for his stock exhaust, so they're gonna be even more mad when we go back. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.